Today I'm going to show you a colored wax hack. This wax is designed to go on chalk paint. You can use any water-based paint, acrylic, latex, or chalk paint, and a wax that is designed for chalk paint. I'm going to use my DIY soft wax recipe with Carnauba, which I will have a link to at the end of this video. Anytime I try out a new product, I always do it on a tester board. On this board I painted 2 colors of chalk paint, and I'm going to see how the wax looks over both of these colors before I decide to make a big batch of wax. Use cardboard for your tester board. You can use the cardboard side or the shiny side, and I painted 2 coats of paint. For this colored wax hack recipe, I'm going to use 1 part paint and 1 part wax. So I'm using a tablespoon of paint and a tablespoon of wax. I'm going to stir this for about a minute or until the paint and the wax are blended together well. When you're done, it should look like finger paint. It may take you longer to stir up a bigger batch. You can use a brush to put your wax on, but you can also use a rag to put your wax on. It really doesn't matter because you're going to wipe it off when you're done anyway. So once you wipe the wax off, the excess wax, you can see what color you have. If it's still a little bit too dark, there's probably more wax you can take off. Colored wax can look really good on dark colors of chalk paint, so I'm going to see what this blue colored wax looks like on this black. I wiped off most of the excess wax here, and you could stop here if you like this color, or you can take a little bit more off if you want a little bit lighter color. So this is what this colored wax will look like on white paint and on black paint. The reason for making this small batch, 1 tablespoon of paint and 1 tablespoon of wax, is to make sure that the color is good for what I want to do with it. If the color is too dark, you can always lessen the amount of paint that you put in the wax until you get the result that you like. But when you're doing it in these small batches like this, you can afford to do that until you get what you want. I hope this colored wax recipe hack was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check back often. I put up new videos all the time. Thank you.